While chanting the rounds, it's my experience, that we take the beads into hands. Then we go on seeing like this, tree I see, car passing I see, cow walking or whatever it is. And then we are not with beads at all. Because our eyes are open, like full open. Please, this window is very bad. Everything goes in from here. Better close the eyes. But closing the eyes again is dangerous. That is my experience. Because if you close the eyes, you doze. So closing is also not good. That I found out. That opening is no good, closing is no good. Then what is to be done? So we are the followers of Shukdev Goswami. So you please open only to see the beads. That's it. Keep bead open so that you will not sleep. And then as soon as the major part of the eye is closed, then at least we should not worry about the outer influence. The inner influence becomes powerful. As soon as you close, yes, I have to go here, I have to go there, yes, I have to manage that. And that is going on. So you chant loudly and hear it. And even then, with all endeavor, 4 beats grow and again you glide down. Only 4 times I chant. And 5th time I am again back. Again I wake up, maybe after 10 beats. And again I start very carefully. Again I go. Please, this process has got to be repeated. So that eventually, I will really pray Krishna and Prabhupada that please give us the capacity at least to chant 1 round.